Molweni, Molweni, how are you everyone? Really say, welcome back to part two of our Thailand vlog. And this is a grown up guide with Mishi, and I'm Mishi. So, welcome back, guys, and new journeys. Welcome to the family. Returning subbies, thank you so much for coming back. Please make sure that you have the notification bell turned on. You do subscribe if you're watching, because come on, why aren't you? You're already here. Just subscribe, it's free. And then please do like. Come on, guys, please like these vlogs. And another thing is, I'm just asking, please do comment to tell me your feedback regarding the vlogs that we've currently had. Anyways, yeah, so let's get into our current vlog. So first activity of the day, we're going to go kayaking. So this guide, the tour guide, is basically showing us the do's and don'ts, telling us what we should do, what we shouldn't do, how we're going to be moving, what we should look out for. So yeah, that was basically what I was explaining, right? So anyways, enjoy, keep watching, thank you for coming back. So now we're lining up to go into the boats that we're going to be using. We already picked our sticks, and then yeah, we're gonna get going. By the way, if you ever want to test your communication skills in your relationship, whether friendship, whatever relationship you have in your life, if you want to test the communication skills that you guys have, how well you communicate, go kayaking. Go and do kayaking. You will tell me later, because guys, this activity is not for the weak when it comes to communicating. Try it out and you thank me later. If you want to fix your communication skills, do it too, because hi, we've done this activity so many times, but hi guys, you guys need to be in sync when it comes to communicating for it to work. So yeah, try it out. So remember the guide that I mentioned earlier? He was the one that was leading us when we were doing all these activities, like the kayaking. It was about, I think, 8 kilometers in total, so we really had a workout. But the good thing is, he made sure that no one was left behind. So if he sees that someone is lagging behind, he'll actually make the whole, like, everyone stop so that we wait for them. And then there were also some people that were at the back. So he was at the front leading us, and then at the back there were like these other guys that were moving with everyone to ensure that everyone is moving in the same direction and no one is being left behind. So that was a great part about this activity, and we got to see nice scenery. Can you see like the greenery? We passed through caves. Yeah, it was really beautiful. It was soothing. It was a workout. You know, when you go on vacation, you're not thinking that I want to go and work out, but this one was a workout, Shim. This was a workout. By the way, if you want to do this activity, make sure that you do it in the morning, because you will melt. Yeah, so better to plan your activities properly and go in the morning, because the melting and the sweating will be a bit better because it's still a bit cold. So yeah, thank me later. Okay, so for our second activity, we are going to be feeding elephants. So this was a non-negotiable event for me. I really wanted to do an activity that had elephants involved. So it was either going to be washing elephants or feeding them, so we end up deciding on feeding them. So here we were taught about how to prepare the food for elephants, what they eat, what they don't eat, their digestive system. So this is the stuff that we're doing, and then they gave us some stuff to mix with bananas, and that's where like this is something that helps them with their just digestive system because elephants can't eat a lot of bananas. So yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing for the second activity. Stay tuned. So it turns out there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. You have to put your hand on top so that the elephant doesn't grab your hand and then chow it also. So you have to be careful. So now we're doing it properly because the first time we did it wrongly. But yeah, these things were scary, Sham. Like, yo guys, these things are big, but they're not as big as the ones back home. But regardless, they are bigger than we are. So yeah. And one of them is like an older, like this one. This one is the oldest one. And these are basically these are basically elephants that have been rescued from either circuses or they're from the wild, whatever it may be, but these are basically here to, be treated from their wounds. So after feeding the elephants, we went to wait for our transport to go back to the hotel, as well as get some refreshments. So one thing about the Thai activities that we got, like the packages that we got, they had fruits afterwards. So you were getting like a lot of fruits and some water so that you can hydrate yourself. So yeah, we really ate a lot of fruits. Like, I've never eaten as many fruits like I did after every activity, or like every day the way I've done when I was in Thailand. So that was a really nice thing. So it was like healthy living. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, and then yeah, just had a feeding experience. It was creepy at first, but then they're actually really nice, and yeah, it was a good experience just having to feed elephants and just be around elephants. So yeah, that's what we just had to do. And we also went, before this we went kayaking, so that was interesting. If you are a couple or whatever, I would definitely recommend that you do that because, yeah, your communication skills will be tested. I promise you. Anyways, thank you guys for watching until this part. So while being here, we're also moving around in the town. And while moving in the town, we realized, guys, if you're in Thailand, you're gonna be so free to do whatever you want, wherever, wear whatever you want as well. Because we saw that some people were even walking around in the city with their bikinis. It's it's something that's normalized here. Not that it's not like something that you're used to seeing all the time. But just be prepared um, if you are a conservative person. So yeah, just prepare yourself mentally. So this is a famous night market in Onai. So better to just go around to look at the different foods that are there on the different stalls so that you can pick the kind of food that you want to eat for the day. Always try different food, so that you can, experience Thai food. It's really nice food, to be honest. It's just a matter of, okay, this is the kind of food that I want to pick and then eat that. Go with it. Stick to your guts because yeah, the food is amazing. The food is delicious and the portions are amazing as well. The Thai portions, guys, I wish we could take the Thai portions and the Thai food to Malaysia, but yeah, unfortunately, that's not the case. So, yeah, when you go to Thailand, just enjoy food, guys. So we just came back from the night market and it was starting to rain, so we decided to just leave because yesterday we got rained on when we had, after eating food, we got rained on because we didn't have an umbrella and we didn't want to grab. We thought, let's walk. Let's walk home. It was a very long walk, but we got home and we were soaked and then we had to shower and go to bed. But today, we realized in the morning that we actually had umbrellas in the cupboard behind me. So we were walking around without umbrellas, but today we didn't want to get rained on. And so we just got our food and we're like, let's go back. Anyways, without further ado, let me show you what we got and how much each of the items is. Baht to Malaysian ringgit is just divided by 7. I'm yet to figure out how much baht to US dollars is, so if I figure it out, I'll put it somewhere here. But in the meantime, let me show you. So I got mango sticky rice. So here is what it looks like. So it's like mangoes, and then there's sticky rice, and then there's some sauce inside. Then we got this for 80 baht. So this was 80 baht. So this is what I'm gonna eat. I love mangoes, I love pineapples. Like, you cannot tell me anything with those two fruits. Like, nada. Then hubby got a jacket potato that has ham and cheese. I'll show you guys later, hopefully, if my battery is, or if my phone is still on, because the battery is dying. So I'll show you what it looks like because it has spoiled and it's still warm. And then jacket potato was 100 baht. And then for me, because there's no meat in the sticky mango, I got 100 grams of ribs, pork ribs, for okay, this was more than 100 grams. So we got this for 200 baht. So this is what it looks like. Okay, sorry. Then hubby got a half chicken. Then he got this for 150 baht. Okay, let me open it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Juicy, right? Yeah, that's what we're gonna be eating tonight. Let me show you the ribs. Not a lot actually. Yeah, and then juice. Hubby got banana and mango milkshake, and then I got avocado and grenadilla, some fruit that has little seeds inside. But it's not grenadilla, it's a purple one. I forgot the name. It's been a great day. The people here are so friendly. Like, oh my god. Like, I feel like I'm so uptight because wow. Anyways, so rundown of the activities we did today. So we did kayaking, and then we went to the elephant thingy, and then we went to the beach, and then we went to the night market. So the two activities that we did, we used Agoda and Crook to book the activities because I think it's cheaper if you do it that way. Otherwise, if you go to the people, they're gonna charge you crazy prices, and we ain't about that life. We are budget travelers. But then something we encountered when we got here is when you get to the airport, what is it called, the taxis that are there, and then they're going to be asking like, oh, come, let me take you where you're going, we can leave now, whatever. But it's better for you to actually just book your Bolt. Actually, we realize Bolt is cheaper than Grab here, so we're actually just using Bolt whenever we wanna move around. Where we can walk, we're walking, so that's what we're doing. So yeah, use Bolt, not Grab, but just compare. You never know, when you come here, Grab might be cheaper than Bolt.